Okay, so now that I have rinsed out the ACV rinse, I went ahead and detangled my hair, washed it, detangled it again, and went ahead and began trimming it and putting it into small, just protective twists that I'll probably leave in for about 3 days. So just to show you the method, I use Natural 85's method. I started watching her on YouTube probably about 2 weeks ago. Her videos are really cool, but she has a really detailed video now on cutting your hair. It may have been up there, I don't know, but I just got to it. On how to cut your hair yourself. So she used small tooth comb, big tooth comb, and a detangling brush. I can't find my detangling brush, so I'm just using these two things, as well as some clips, so you can clip the other hairs away. So I went ahead and detangled it and put it in 2-strand twists, because her method that she used, she 2-strand twisted it and then used the parts, to cut small pieces. So I'm going with my wide tooth comb, and then she followed up with her detangling comb brush. Again, I can't find mine, so this is what we got. Okay, look at the damage. Oh my goodness. One of my followers recommended that I trim my hair every 2 years, and I got my hair trimmed in February. It's now December, so I think it is good timing, especially since we did our 6-month ACV rinse today. And then go in, and she said, get it out so you make sure comb it out so you make sure the texture is in what you're feeling, and then you want to go down until your comb stops you. Okay, my comb stopped me right there. Brush. Add some oil. Okay. Repeat the process. Now my hair is a little damp still. I washed it earlier. Our maintenance day is complete. It's only 3 o'clock. It's not that bad. I started at like 11:30 with the apple cider vinegar rinse. I actually ran to the store to get the scissors and the comb because I didn't have any of this stuff. But this is just a protective 2-strand twist that I did on my hair while it's dry. If you guys are wondering why these ones looked so stretched compared to the last video's 2-strand twist. So yes, these ones were done dry, so it allows me to stretch my hair a little bit more. We did a trim today, so I'm going to do a lip check sometime this month. I should have did it today, but I didn't. I'm gonna do a lip check, and we'll check again in 6 months to see if we're getting anywhere. All right, thank you.